Good morning. As not as promised, but as I said yesterday, it's I hope you're having a lovely day, night. I hope you're doing well wherever you are, and the new year is going well for you. So yesterday we said we're supposed to leave the house at 6. It's currently 6 right now. But I got up at 5, finished getting ready and all packed, like the last final things. So Janet is getting ready now, but I'm going to start packing our food. So once she's done, that's the only thing that's left. Like once she's done getting ready, that's done, and then it's just now to up and go. But yeah, I think we're still in good time. I mean, an hour back, but hopefully we leave not an hour back, but we had intended to leave at 6, but hopefully now we leave before 7. So yeah, I'll start getting things that are remaining, which is just the food in the fridge, and then once she's done, we load that in the car with the remaining small luggage that we have left and hit the road. Yeah. So we're going. It's now almost 6:20, so still good on time. Sausage and bacon and eggs and bread. It was nice breakfast and coffee because Janet needed coffee. So we're leaving Dallas. We have 6 hours 15 minutes to go, and my eyes are closing. So I'll sleep until when they open, or until when Janet feels she's absorbing the sleep from me. So yeah, the road looks a bit chillier than when we were coming, so Hopefully we also get to junction before the snowstorm, because that's what we're trying to really avoid. So we'll see you on our next stop, hopefully closer to junction. Yeah. We're currently top. Janet running for her life. It's cold. So we're guessing we're in Oklahoma, and we are 2 hours 44 minutes from junction, and it's 3:42, so 6:26 our estimated arrival time. I mean, I don't think we're doing.
Wow, it's cold. Wow. Hi.
I don't think we're doing bad on time, but now we're arriving, like we're getting to colder and colder places. We left Houston when it was warmer. When it was warm, Dallas got a bit chilled, and this is our second stop, so it's not getting colder. I think we'll use the bathroom here. Yeah, and proceed hopefully in the next.
Or do you want me to drive for an hour? Or do you want to drive 2 hours and stop? Then I'll drive.
No, do it now. So when it's cold, the dark will find me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll drive for another hour. We'll see till I get tired. I'm pumped up. I'm just happy to go home. I'm just done I'm done with vacation. I'm just done.
Yeah, so that's our update now. Guys, so far so good. Yeah, I've slept, let me tell you. So I'm waking up now. I've been in and out of sleep, in and out. So yeah, hopefully the next now remaining time, and we'll see what's on the road. Yeah. That's all I have to say. I don't think I have any other thing to say at this point. Oh, we have windmills, but they're at a distance. I don't think you can see them. Anyway, see you on the road. Ooh, yeah, it's cold outside, but I wanted to say something. This, I don't know the name, but it's the gas station that we stopped at in Oklahoma. I don't know, it's called, I think, that one. Oh, the washrooms, they're really nice, and they smell so nice, and they're warm. They even have bathrooms and laundry places. I mean, those, I think, for the truck drivers or
like a shower.
Yeah, I think other people who might need it, but that is really nice. Oh yeah, that is just what I wanted to say. Anyway, bye. Back on the road.
It was like $6 to fill it up, so.
Oh, the gas.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was.
Thank you for joining the journey and for staying this while. Hope you're entertained. Hope you're having a lovely year, and you'll have a nice rest of your year. You'll have a productive year ahead. So see you when you see me next. I think I'll just unpack, have a shower, and rest. Maybe watch a movie. I don't feel like unpacking. We'll unpack when the energy comes. But yeah, it's a good night and good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever time zone you are, but it's a good night for me. See you.